Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing just a regular old eyeliner. I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks from, the base to the eyeshadow to make it very natural. And then of course, show you in depth, step by step, how I do my eyeliner with my droopy, hooded eyes. And it's not very kind of Batwing type of moment. It's more just a straight eyeliner with whatever you want. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. We need to lift these eyes up. I wanted to do something very tiny, cute, and like as you can see, my eyes are kind of like full of texture lines, and like my lids are hooded even though I have a lot of real estate, so we're gonna go through that, but we have to prime our lids first because it's gonna smudge. It's really important to prime the eyes with the right eye primers, and I'm gonna go first with the painterly one and then go on my eyes because I feel like my fingers, I kind of don't want to dirty them in a way. And I want this to be really, really well blended. I'm just applying a little bit of the white here and then blending it into the other primer. And that's just going to add a little bit of light under my eyebrow. And like the tiniest amount possible because we don't want to overdo it. Never. Sometimes I overdo it, but that's another story. So I'm just going to go with the Pat McGrath blush because this one is just so pretty and the formulation is literally amazing. And it's going to fit with, the rest of my face, the vibe. And I think I'm just going to place it like on top of my crease, like only a transition color, which is crazy. But you're going to see, I'm going to blend it into, my foundation, going into the blush. So stippling, blending, windshield wiper motion, and then I just go and bring it, I swipe to bring it on the side. Stipple, stipple, stipple. And now I just need, a regular powder on top of my eye. What I like to do, especially because my eyes are so oily and literally nothing holds them together, I just take my blot powder, something that's very mattifying but not super drying, and I just apply it to my eye regularly like another eyeshadow. Just gonna go with a big old brush. I'm just taking another little tiny brush just to apply the same Pat McGrath blush under my lash line so there's a unity between the upper and the lower part of the eye. And you can already start kind of like doing your line and then following the line so you can use it as a guide for when you actually do your liquid liner. Alrighty, so I mixed these two highlighters on my face. I mixed the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish highlighter with the MAC Skin Finish highlighter. And you're like, what? That's really close to the name, but anyways, I'm gonna start with this one. I love this one, and I've made a mistake before. It's really better if you guys put the highlighter before and do everything else before you do eyeliner. The eyeliner should be the last step of your makeup look, and for that reason is because if you do the liner and then after that you apply the highlighter on top, it's gonna change color, it's gonna become grayish, and sometimes it might even smudge depending on the highlighter that you put on your eyes. So I am done currently with the eyeshadow part. We're gonna go to the eyeliner part. I'm like preparing myself mentally for eyeliner because you all know that eyeliner is a tricky part, especially with saggy skin. It's not really that saggy, but there's not like that much firmness. Like it kind of droops down a little bit. And it's annoying. So we have to deal with that. Let me grab some coffee before that because I need to concentrate. All right, so for this one, I'm going to go with the Black Brush Stroke 24-Hour Liner from MAC Cosmetics. This one is just because it's very precise. I love a good brush. Since this one, it's like a brush tip, it's going to be way easier for me to use it. And this one is super precise. It doesn't stop going, it doesn't run out, it doesn't leak, constant flow. So find an eyeliner that you really love that's really good for you. I recommend a brush stroke, a brush tip, because anything else might smudge, might dry, might do weird things. So this one, precise for hooded eyes and for droopy eyelids as well. People say that you go from the front, right? Just like that. But the thing is, I'm really blind. Like I can't see anything. So it's very hard for me. So sometimes it's not equal. But the trick is you can put like some tape on the side if you want. You just follow your natural line. So I'm following the natural line and I'm keeping my eyes kind of open like I would have them normally. All right, so now it looks kind of better. And it's important to do the line first. So as you can see, I did the line, you look at the line, and if ever it's not okay, you can always go back with concealer. I open my eye and then I'm gonna connect with my eyes open, just like that. And it's gonna sketch it out for you. Because when you have droopy eyelid, you just do the little dots and then you go. And then you fill in. And then when you filled in a little bit, then you can, close your eye and then go. And then you would take, instead of going like this and then going like this, you would put your eyeliner on the side, look down. You always want to look down and then you press against your lash line. And then you go in little strokes. So another trick is like if you close it, it's not going low enough or like it's kind of weird sometimes, then you can always connect it to the lower lash line. I like to do this so it really continues from the lower lash line to the upper lash line. So I'm going to show you that real quickly. You would just put your eyeliner like the way your waterline and then go with the tip and just connect it to the lower lash line. Like in the corner here. And then it really fits with the rest like that. And I recommend you, while doing your eyeliner, never put your eye like this. Or like don't stretch it, just relax your eye. Don't hold it up, because when you hold it up and then you do your line and then you stop, then it's going to become droopy. And it just takes a lot of like practice, because it doesn't just come like that. Before I would do this and like hold my eyebrows up and then it would come back down and I would be frustrated with how my liner would look. But I really recommend you not to move at all. You correct it after that when you sketch it out. So looks nice. This one is different, like you see. It's more kind of like straight, and this one has a bit of a curve, and that's what's like a challenge most of the time with hooded eyes, is that especially if you have two different eyes, which usually they're never twins, which you would wish they're twins, and having the hand on the side, having the hand on the other side, sometimes it's just very hard to have something that's just very similar. So this, like this, going back and forth between one, you do your hardest one first, which usually it's this one. This one is just like very easy. And then this one is kind of like, weird. And then there's one eye you see more than the other. Obviously, I'm blind, so I can't see anything from any eye. But you take your time. That's really the trick. And you really line it up with your lower lash line. And then that's what it looks like. Woo! The little eyeliner, it looks cute. Like I told you, both sides are kind of different, but they are there. All right, guys, so that's it. That is the video for today. It's just a regular little liner showing you how I do it. I've been struggling for a long time for eyeliner, and I think that this is kind of a phase where my eyeliner is just great. I found one that looks nice, it's precise, everything, and it definitely helps. I've been doing it also with, gel eyeliners in a pot with a little brush, which this also is a great tool to do it because it's around the same as a brush stroke. It's just a different formula. It really depends what you like. You can apply these tips and tricks, of course, at anything that you want. Even though it's not a brush stroke, you can apply it to a felt tip or even something else like a silicone tip. There's so many options. Just do what you gotta do your eyeliner. Make your eye looks the best that you want, enhance your natural beauty, and it's gonna look amazing. So I really hope that you liked this little tutorial. I didn't do that in a while sitting down in the camera, so I'm really happy to have done that. And I look at myself and it's so weird because usually I would put false lashes and now it kind of looks weird without the false lashes, but it's okay. I still like it. It's just weird to see eyeliner with no false lashes, honestly. But that's what it is. So make sure to like the video, even if it's just for the algorithm, or do whatever, and make sure to comment down below what you think about the eyeliner. Do you do a thick eyeliner? Do you do a very just one line, a classic eyeliner, bat wing eyeliner? There's so many different styles of eyeliner, so comment down below. I would love to know. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for now 5 videos a week that are coming back, because I know sometimes I can be busy and life happens, you know what I mean. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.